Buffalo River 2K15 Shotgun Edition.
What was that, like 12 seconds?
Gonna take you down by the river, smell the gunpowder, hear the ghosts sing. Kids in the shadows drinking by the water, smoking and blowing them smoke rings. Gonna take you down to the river, you're gonna learn about the times, man. Bloodstains will make you shiver, you're gonna feel it in your spine, man. Used to walk down Santa Fe Street, had a quarter in my hand and a fake ID. Sip a little poison on the Mexican side, bones in the ground, hurt singing off key. Now I walk down Santa Fe Bridge, lie low between the lanes, man. Nobody flicks you when the killing shots ring. These times ain't the same, man.
Undertaker looked like Crows, red-eyed and dressed in black. Undertaker said there ain't no law, cross that river, you never come back.
Gonna take you to the railroad bridge, gonna see men hanging like scarecrows. Noose tied on the violent side of the line, thrown over so the world knows. I'm gonna take you to the railroad bridge, so you have to look them in the eye. Caught in a thread, sending you a message, blood spilling no matter what side.
Undertaker looked like Crows, red-eyed and dressed in black. Undertaker said there ain't no law, cross that river, you never come back. Cross that river, you never come back.
Crows fly through the sister city street, weep for the lives of the lost ones. They cry, what a shame, what a pity, mouths fed to the crimes of a drug gun.
Go fly through the broken city, gather up the remains, man. Take heed, we all bleed, keep it running through your veins, man. And when I walk that line, I see the other side, something in their eyes, well it's the same as mine.
Undertaker looked like Crows, red-eyed and dressed in black. Undertaker said there ain't no law, cross that river, you never come back. Undertaker looked like Crows, red-eyed and dressed in black. Undertaker said there only one law, cross that river, you never come back. Cross that river, you never come back.
That was intense. And Bird is pissed. Bird is pissed.